It's May 2nd, 2017, and I'm back at the Merman School where we created our most incredible naturalistic water feature ever. We just did a huge maintenance on this last week, so I'm going to inspect, make sure everything's working perfectly. There's mint. We love mint in our waterfalls. Geraniums, Salvia spathacia, hummingbird sage. Spring is in full bloom here. All of our first generation plants have grown out, and our second generation plants, such as Arctostaphylos and Cistus, are growing in. Look how beautiful this crystal clear pond is. This is our outdoor classroom. I'd like to learn there when I was a kid. The nature here is so exquisite. So welcome to the Merman School Pond Stream Waterfall, and at the top of the hill, of course, we have our amphitheater. This is what I love the most.